Again, sa BIR Form 23OT or Certificate of Registration, doon nyo makikita kung ano-ano ang kailangan yung i-file at kailan ang kanilang deadlines. So if you just properly know how to understand and look into your BIR Form 2303, then alam po natin kung kailan tayo magpa-file, anong form ang ipa-file, at kailan ba ang deadline ng ipa-file nating tax return. Ngayon, since alam na natin kung kailan magpa-file, punta naman na tayo sa next step. So, ang first step po uli natin, we file electronically. Next, there must be a proper validation or confirmation of your submission. So if ever you will make use of the EBIR forms, meron po doon na submission. So let's say, for example, meron po tayo dito, yan po yung magpa-pop up na submission. So kailangan nakalagay doon, submit successful. Pero kung EFPS naman, ganito naman po yung magpa-pop up na there was a valid submission and payment.